Okey Dokeys!
In this video, we'll learn how to start a crochet oval, a fun and versatile shape for many projects like bags or rug bases. We'll start by making a foundation chain. Typically, an oval begins with a short chain, usually between 4 and 6 stitches. Next, crochet into the second chain from hook and work single crochets along the chain. At the end of the row, you're going to add 3 single crochets into the last chain to help curve that project. Now, continue crocheting in single crochets along the opposite side of the chain. As you work in rounds, keep adding increases at the ends to shape the oval, creating an elongated circle. And that's how you crochet an oval. Practice this technique to create beautiful, smooth shapes for your next crochet project.